Imagine you're scrolling through your Grab app, eyeing that delicious meal or that much-needed ride. But then reality hits. Your GrabPay wallet is empty. That's where linking your bank account to GrabPay comes in handy. It's like a magic wand, instantly replenishing your wallet and ensuring you're always ready to go. So, let's dive into the simple steps of linking your bank account to GrabPay. Step 1. Open the Grab app. The first step is obvious. Open the Grab app on your smartphone. Step 2. Navigate to Wallet. Once the app is open, tap on the wallet icon. This is where you'll manage your GrabPay balance. Step 3. Find Link Bank Account. Inside the Wallet section, look for the option that says Link Bank Account or something similar. Tap on it. Step 4. Select your bank. A list of supported banks will appear. Choose the bank that your account is with. Step 5. Enter your bank account details. You'll be asked to enter your bank account number and other necessary details. Make sure to double-check the information before proceeding. Step 6. Verify your account. To ensure the security of your funds, Grab may require you to verify your bank account. This could involve a small deposit or a verification code sent to your registered mobile number. Step 7. Confirm and link. Once the verification is complete, review the details you've entered and confirm the linking process. That's it. Your bank account is now linked to GrabPay. Additional tips. Security first. Always prioritize security when linking your bank account. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions and ensure your device is protected with strong passwords. Transaction limits. Be aware of any transaction limits or fees associated with linking your bank account to GrabPay. Check the terms and conditions for more information. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues during the linking process, refer to Grab's Help Center or contact their customer support for assistance. Linking your bank account to GrabPay is a quick and easy process that can significantly enhance your Grab experience. With your wallet always topped up, you'll be free to explore the many services Grab offers without worrying about running out of funds. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and link your bank account to Grab.